Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over adding colors and gradients to your Android Studio project. So first let's start with going to our layouts. Just activity main there. I like to put it on split screen. By the way, I'm watching a video that I created earlier. I don't like talking and typing at the same time, so my hands are free. Anyway, so now let's go to the values and colors. Before you get started, I recommend that you do a Google search, maybe color schemes, and it will give you so many different colors that go well together. And it will give you that the number that you need corresponding to that color. Now I'm gonna do a light gray here. Name it something that makes sense to you. It doesn't have to be the actual name of the color, just something that you will remember. There it's 41, 41, and 43. So you can look on line 6 right there, and it shows you the actual color. Now, to add that color to the background, you just do background there. We saved it under the values colors XML, and the name of it was light gray. There you go, and it's as simple as that. Now, for the gradients, it's a little bit more, but it's still very simple to do. Now, again, you have to make sure that you have all the colors saved under colors and values before you start working with them. So now we're going to add the color black. That one's just, I think, 5 zeros, I believe. And to make sure that it's actually there, look on that line and make sure that it shows up. Let's close that up. Now let's go to the drawable resource files. You're going to right click, new, and drawable resource file. When you name it, again, make sure that it's something that makes sense to you. We're going to create a gradient gray, so I call it gray gradient. Hit OK. Okay. Notice, for me at least, it says selector. Might have a different thing, but we're actually going to change that to shape. First, we're going to add the angle. So you can simply start typing angle. Sometimes it shows up that way. And we're going to start off with 45. This is something that obviously you can play around with later. And let's do start color. We've already created the color light gray, so we can use it. And then end color, we're going to use the color black. Now you see how it starts at the bottom with a light gray, and then at the top it goes to black. If you want to mess around with the angles, you can do something like 90. Personally, I like the 45. There you go. You can even add a center color if you want. Right now, we don't really have another color saved that's similar to any of these. So let's just use the purple there. I mean, if we had a darker gray, it would look kind of cool, but this is a little off. You know, it's kind of cool color there. But I'm going to delete that for now. I'm just showing you that you can actually add a center color on there. Now, to apply it to the project, let's go to our main activity XML file. Remember, we saved it under a drawable resource file, so now we're going to do drawable instead of color. And it's as simple as that. You can add this to buttons too. It's really nice.